Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remix Snap on the Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Snapchat and tap on stories. And for example, I want to make a remix snap using this story, so I'm going to opening in this story and I'm tapping on this three dot icon to the right hand corner, and now tapping on remix snap. And after that, here we can see different types of effect. You can select any of them, and now you will be able to remix snap. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.